friends, today we are going to walk through on the sequence of activities related to building construction. First and foremost, the land acquisition and the soil testing to be done. Then the architectural drawing, structural drawing, plumbing drawing, electrical drawing should be made, and the cost estimation should be done according to the prescribed drawing. And then starts the site preparation. The site preparation involves the leveling of site, worker shade, material shade to store delicate materials like cement, water connection and reservoir, electricity connection and approach road. Then comes the selection of workers, then the layout marking, and after marking the layout, the earth excavation and filling, preparation of foundation base, brick soling and sand filling, then the fabrication works for footing, then the shuttering works for the footing, then the concreting activity for the footing, then the concrete preparation works, laying, compaction and curing, casting of columns, beams, lintels, slabs, etc. After completing the frame structure, then there comes the masonry wall construction. The masonry wall can be of brick masonry, block masonry, or lightweight blocks. Post completion of masonry walls, then the plastering activity to be started. Before initiating the plastering activity, the plumbing and electrical work should be completed. Post completion of electrical and plumbing activities, the plastering activities is initiated. The plastering activities involves internal plastering and external plastering. Then the fixing of doors and windows. Then the finishing works related to floor finish, that is tiling with tiles, vitrified tiles or marbles or granites and grano flooring. Post completion of the flooring activity is the painting activity. The painting activity involves the 2 coats of putty, 2 coats of putty, then 1 coat of primer, then 2 coats of emulsion paint. The internal painting consists of premium emulsion or the water-based paint, and the exterior paint is of Ultima, that is the waterproof paint involved. And post completion of all the activities is the snagging activity. It is the final activity, and it should be completely inspected, and all the snag points should be listed as follows. The snagging activity should be done sincerely to cover the entire building. Post to that, the desnagging to be done, completing all the snags with 0 defects, and then the final product is evolved. Thank you. For each activities elaborately we'll see in the forthcoming weeks. Thanks a lot. Have a nice day. Please subscribe for more videos